Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway C Box Break. This is for the 2013-2014 Panini Dominion Box Break number 83. Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton. So in the box is any 206-674-280. That's any 206-674-280. Good luck, everybody. Start with the base of Mike Fisher, 65 out of 299. Had a patch auto rookie, 289 out of 299 for the Jets of Anthony Peluso. Got an awesome hit here. It's a stick-side signatures for the Red Wings of Gordie Howe. 12 out of 25. Awesome hit for the Wings. A jersey card for the Hurricanes of Alexander Semin, 16 out of 99. You got a rookie of Oliver Lordison for the Flyers, 447 out of 299. And you finish off with a base card of Logan Couture, 46 out of 299 for the Sharks. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.